How to use split screen or collage features in LightCut. Want to show multiple clips at once? LightCut's split screen or collage features makes it easy. First, tap collage or split screen in your project. Then select the layout you want. Add clips to each section and adjust timing so they sync perfectly. You can resize, rotate, or reposition clips to fit the frame. Preview your video to make sure all clips appear balanced and visually appealing. Use this feature for comparison videos or showcasing multiple angles at the same time. It adds a professional touch. Which layouts do you prefer? Two clips side by side or four grid collage? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use split screen or collage features in LightCut. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.